Hi friends, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome to Basic Hacking Skills. In this video, we are going to explore working with directories in Python. Well, let me tell you, this is Python scripting for hackers, and we are in module 7 of Noob's Guide series. So in my previous video, I've already introduced the OS module where we have renamed and deleted a file using this particular module. Further in this video, we're going to explore this module a bit more in detail. So let's begin with a quick example. In this video, I'm going to directly interact with the Python interpreter so that it saves a lot of time and it becomes easier. So what I do firstly is I import my OS module so that I could start interacting with the shell by calling the OS methods. Well, if I want to get the present working directory or the current working directory, what I would have to do is call the method os.getcwd, and it would return us the current working directory. If you would like to change the current working directory, then all you have to do is type out os and call the method chdir, which stands for change directory. Alright, so I quickly provide the path pictures and I go into Python. Well, I'll have to remove this slash because the pictures folder is not in the root directory, rather it is in our home directory, therefore we don't need that. Alright, so now if I check my current working directory, I do a quick cwd, get cwd, you would notice that we are in pictures/python now. So if I want to create a directory, I would have to call the method os.mkdir, which generally creates your directory inside your present working directory, and the name of the directory is taken as arguments to this method. So I name it new dir, and if I check it, open up my home folder, you would notice that inside pictures and Python we have our new directory right here, right? So now if I want to list the set of files and directories in our current working directory, what I would have to do is call os.listdir and provide the path. Well, if I want to list my current working directory, all I would have to provide is a period, and that would return a list which would contain all the files and directories. Alright, so there are a bunch of things that come along with the OS module, and we won't be able to explore all of them, so I would suggest you to do a quick dir to get the list of methods available with OS module, and try help on each of them to know what each of the method does. Well, if you would notice, like if you want to delete a directory, you would use rmdir. If you want some help over that particular method, all you would have to do is type out os.rmdir inside help and just hit enter, and that would return you a help. Right, I press a quick q over here and return back to my interpreter. So now if you want to list a particular set of files which are related to each other, like all the jpj files or all the py files, what you would do, there comes the glob module, which comes in handy, which is generally used to list a certain set of files. So I would just give you a quick example. Before that, I would quickly import my glob module by typing import space glob, and now if I want to search all the set of jpg files, what I would have to do is type out glob and glob again and provide the string over here. I would want it to list all the jpg files. So what this string means over here is, regardless of name, the asterisk over here means that regardless of the name, I would have an extension .jpg. So if I click enter, you would notice that it returned a list of files that end with a .jpg extension, right? So that's how the glob module comes in handy. You could list each of them using a for loop as well. Well, I would use for item in glob.glob, where I provide the string regardless of the name. I want a jpg extension, and a colon over here. I indent it. My block of code starts over here, so I print item, right, and you would notice that I've got the list of all the jpj files, right? So that's how you work with Python directories. Alright, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Do comment and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye, have a nice day.